Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the 8th wonder of the world. I'm going to talk about Vikas Proppant and Granite Limited. Please like and subscribe channel for more updates and press the bell icon for more notification from this channel. This is my second video on Vikas Proppant. I had made a video about Vikas Proppant previously, in which I had stated about the company being the first listed proppant company. So this definitely deserved the price movement which it had gained over a period of 1 year after the news announcement of the tie-up with Tafnet, a Russian company. Company shares has been on upper circuit continuously until it reached 18 rupees 20 paise, and then it has been on a lower circuit continuously because of the delay in getting EC, that is the environmental clearance, and PC, which is pollution control clearance. You can all see this news article which triggered the interest of the investors. The company announced that the management has converted the business of the company in the month of June 2018 and entered into a niche new market of proppant manufacturing. When I made this video, the stock was trading at 10 rupees 38 paise and the stock price went up to 18 rupees 20 paise, which was on upward circuit for many days, and the investors were not able to buy the shares during that period. But it turned around and it has been on lower circuit until today. Now, current scenario. Let me give the background of the company. The installation of the machinery to manufacture the propellants, which is a game changer regarding growth aspect of this company, as this is a niche market and would have propelled the company to a highest level. But all this seems to be just promises by the promoters with no substantial work on the ground. The installation and the productions were supposed to start once the environmental clearance and the pollution control clearance are received. But it has been delayed for many months. The market is punishing the stock, as the stock price kept on increasing on the upper circuit on the back of the important event of installation of the machinery for manufacturing the propellants. Looking at the trades placed on the exchange, there are close to 4 lakhs to 1 crore sell orders. Once the market is open, it hits a lower circuit. Many retail investors have not been able to sell shares as the stock is on a downtrend. Looking at the orders on the exchange, looks like the shareholders are in a panic mode to sell. I have given the link to the first video in the description. Please have a look at it once you're done watching this video. Another news article about Vikas Proppant and Granite Limited placing order for plant and machinery for its project with the German fabricators, which is meant for manufacturing premium grade proppants at Jodhpur. The production is expected to start sometime in 2021 after installing the equipment. Promoters not walking the talk. B.D.AGARWAL, the promoter, said we will get ECPC by the end of June. But the company comes with the announcement on 2nd July with a further delay, adding to the stock getting punished with already limited communication from the company. In the previous video, I had mentioned to be cautious when trading with Vikas Proppant and Granite, knowing the history of the promoters of the company. Now let us look at the corporate announcement by the company, which seems to be the only communication by them. So the corporate announcement, I'll just highlight the parts which I mentioned there. The environmental clearance is now expected to clear through the fast track. The PC would be done as per the procedure once EC is cleared. So only when you receive the environmental clearance, the company can apply PC. Project acceptance for fast clearance of the advanced pricing agreement for transfer pricing. This is in relation to Tafnet. That is the reason they mentioned over here. The management is taking all the initiatives to obtain ECPC clearance at the earliest, and the company has submitted its request for obtaining these benefits. Important points to be noted for any investors tracking the stock for investment. The EC and PC application status are not known publicly. Whether it is applied or rejected or any other information is not available in the public domain. I have worked for a mining company in the past. Getting an environmental clearance is not an easy task. And with such a delay and lack of communication from the management, the investors can be on the sidelines. There are many huge sell orders in the exchange. Investor can just wait till EC and PC are received and it is made public. The promoter's word cannot be trusted in this scenario because the news floated on the company is still not substantially proven. Tafnet. The question over here is there any news about the company being interested in investing in the gas proppant if they start the production? I would say no, because I tried searching for the information on the internet, but it was not a positive search. The questions before considering investment. Investors can wait it out, stay in the sideline until the company receives the EC and PC. after the installation, they would start the production of the propants. Right now, there are many questions about the company. Is the tie-up agreement true with Tafnet for producing propants? The application for the clearance of EC and PC. There's no way to track the application number unless the promoters mention it. Credibility of the promoters, which has actually been bad with regard to the previous company which they had owned. Investors can wait and watch how the events unfold. Track the company till it receives EC and PC and the probability of starting the production, because the management is not open enough and the public information is very limited. So this is the small analysis which I've done on Vikas, Proppant and Granite Limited. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. This content is intended to be used and must be used for educational purposes only. Please do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances and consult your financial advisor.